Welcome to the evolution of professional medical training. Using our Simulation Center's innovative equipment and resources, clinicians and educators can build complex medical cases in our state-of-the-art simulated hospital rooms that can help prepare medical professionals to take charge and save lives. More than a mock hospital, the Center for Simulation and Innovation lends a hand for discovery for our future Arizona clinicians. Through community outreach events such as Connect a STEM, Arizona's largest STEM event, Summer Scrubs, a hands-on summer camp program for healthcare-inclined high school students, and many more programs, UA College of Medicine Phoenix helps to build opportunities for engagement with our innovative simulation equipment, enabling the rising generation to scrub in and picture themselves performing life-saving medical procedures in the future. The Center for Simulation and Innovation is also known for its exceptional tailored tours. Our center primarily serves high school and college students from underserved communities that have a special interest in medicine, but also caters to a wide range of healthcare-minded businesses and professionals in Arizona.